Definition and characteristics of ecosystems. An ecosystem can be defined as a community of living organisms together with physical and chemical components of their environment interacting as a system. Ecosystems are characterized by their complexity, diversity, and dynamic nature. Some of the key characteristics of ecosystem are: number 1, biotic and abiotic components. Ecosystems are composed of both living biotic and non-living abiotic that interact with each other. The biotic components include all living organisms such as plants, animals, and microorganisms, while the abiotic components include the physical and chemical components of the environment such as air, water, soil, and nutrients. Number 2, interconnectedness. Ecosystems are highly interconnected with each component influencing and being influenced by other components. For example, plants take up nutrients from the soil which are then used by herbivores that eats the plant and then passed on the predator that eat the herbivores. Number 3, energy flow. Ecosystems require a constant supply of energy, which is primarily derived from the sun through photosynthesis. Producers such as plant and algae use this energy to produce organic matter, which is then consumed by behavior herbivores, and so on up the food chain. As energy is passed from one trophic level to the next, some of it is lost as heat, resulting in decrease in available energy at higher trophic levels. Number 4, nutrient cycling. Ecosystems require a constant supply of nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus, which are cycled through the ecosystem. Nutrients are taken up by plants from the soil and then passed on to herbivores and predators as they consume plant materials. When organisms die or excrete waste, nutrients are returned to the soil where they can be taken up by plants again. Number 5, dynamic nature. Ecosystems are constantly changing and adapting in response to natural and human induced disturbances. Natural disturbances such as wildfires, flood, and storm can cause temporary disruption to ecosystem processes, while human activities such as land use change, pollution, and climate change can have long-lasting impact on ecosystem structure and function. Number 6, resilience. Ecosystems have capacity to resist and recover from disturbances. This resilience is largely due to the diversity of species and functional groups within an ecosystem, which allows it to maintain its structure and function even in the face of environmental variability and disturbances. In summary, ecosystems are complex, interconnected systems composed of both living and non-living components. They require constant supply of energy and nutrients and are characterized by their dynamic nature and resilience in the face of disturbances. Understanding these characteristics is critical for effectively managing and conserving ecosystems in a rapidly changing